Yellowfin grouper. Woo! Big one.
Closer, really close.
Getting real close there, Brett, but don't get that kind of way.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Yellowfin grouper being released. Grab him by the tail, let him pull your hand off by itself. He's not strong enough yet. Oh my God, look at that fish. What a gorgeous fish. Brad, look this way. Woo! Big one. ¿Qué? Venga, está suavecito. Ah!
Bien, y siguiéndolo, papá.
There's fish behind it.
There's fish behind it. There's something behind it.
Oh!
There's another one down there. There's another one down there.
Shark! 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 It's a big jack, man.
You think that's a shark down there?
Yeah, it's a shark.
Sí, yo lo vi.
Big shark. Behind the blackjack. We decided it didn't like what was going on.
Oh my God! Look at that! Wow!
Yeah, I think it's amberjack. I don't know. I backed up quite a bit. I was going to go back a little bit because I don't want to get to the bottom and break it off. There's something to worry about. Tienes, dame un break. Échale atrás.